Let's go! One of the most common requests I see in the comment section and on Twitter is for videos on more low cap altcoins. I made a video on 5 altcoins with market caps below $50 million about a week ago, and you all seem to like it. So today I have 5 more low cap altcoins that I think have the potential to do multiple excess of their current price. Before I get into my picks for today, I want to make sure that you all understand that with the potential for huge gains comes a greater risk than investing in Bitcoin or other larger, more established coins. So in other words, these altcoins, they could do 5, they could do 10, they could do 50x, but they could also go to 0. Also, of course, it goes without saying that none of these coins have paid me. They are all just coins we are keeping track of the progress of, in which we are interested in and actually watching, but we don't own them. And yeah, just full transparency there. So altcoins this small can see their price swing both up and down by very large amounts, guys, even those that do end up producing big gains. Now that you're aware of the risk and volatility involved with these coins, make sure to subscribe so you do not miss out on more videos like this. And with that said, let's get started. My first pick for today is FIDA, the token for the bona fide DEX, which is built on top of Serum. As some of you may already know, Serum is the most popular DEX of the Solana blockchain. I have made videos about Solana before and the advantages it has over other base layer protocols, such as its extremely cheap fees and fast transactions. Those features make it an attractive blockchain to trade on, and the Serum DEX has been growing in popularity because of it. One of the reasons I choose FIDA for today's video is because I think that Solana could be the next ecosystem to see a major pump like the Binance Smart Chain has. If that does end up happening, then buying now means that you will be buying before the hype arrives and at much lower prices. Anyways, there are a variety of UIs built to use Serum though, and Bona Fide or Bona Fide is the most popular of them. This is not only because the UI is easy to use and provides a variety of useful tools, but because it also provides a variety of other services. Those services include an API to access every transaction on the Serum DEX, the ability to create and use custom trading strategies with native TradingView integration, an IDO platform, and the first perpetual swaps being built on Solana. The FIDA token is used for governance over the fees of the protocol, to access the VIP API, access trading bots, and to use the IDO platform. The current market cap of this project is $41 million. When you compare that to, say, PancakeSwap, Uniswap, SushiSwap, or other similar projects on other chains, then you can understand why this project has so much potential to grow. So let me know down in the comment section, do you think that this sounds interesting? Are you interested in Solana overall? Let me know. But moving on, my next pick is GTH, the token for the Gath network, a platform that allows publishers to monetize without ads and provides businesses and developers access to cheap and reliable processing power. Gather was created because of 3 primary problems. Cloud computing is expensive. Nobody likes to watch ads, and it is difficult for blockchain developers to build a mining community. Gather is the solution for those 3 problems. Allow me to explain how. Gather allows web and mobile developers to monetize their audiences by utilizing end-user processing power instead of annoying ads. Instead of users being forced to watch ads or have them show up on the side of their website or in websites they are browsing, a portion of their unused processing power is utilized. Gather also provides consultancy services and proprietary tools for developers, businesses, and crypto networks who wish to implement Gather into their services. Gather Cloud is what the collection of end-user processing power is known as, and it is used to provide developers with the benefits of proof-of-work grade security without the effort necessary to build up a community of miners. Gather estimates that using their decentralized cloud computing power is up to 30% cheaper than traditional cloud computing. It also creates a system in which income is based on the number of visitors or users a site has instead of how many ads it displays. Right now, the GTH market cap is about $35 million. If this project takes off, then it could be worth many times that amount, as it is an attractive service for any platform or site that wants to monetize its users in a new and a better way. If you have watched my channel for a while, then you most likely have heard me talk about the benefits of investing in base layer protocols, so of course I had to include one in today's list. Jupe is the utility token of Jupiter, a unique base layer protocol created for the specific purpose of use by government, corporate, and defense sectors. These sectors are of course extremely large, so there is definitely a lot of room for Jupiter to grow. Some of the primary features of the chain are that data is always encrypted, data is also automatically replicated across nodes to ensure its safety, data is immutable once published to the blockchain, nodes can easily be added and removed, and there is a built-in ID system. All of these features are attractive to their target sectors, all of which require the transmission and storage of either secret or private data. One interesting thing about Jupiter is that a user can actually deploy a private instance of the chain for use only by other approved users. For example, a company could deploy their own instance for use only by them. Jupiter includes a framework for dApp creation called Gravity, which allows for dApps to be completely customized to fit the needs of any type of customer. As an alternative to smart contracts, which are very large in terms of data usage and storage, Jupiter utilizes smart transactions, which are smaller and cheaper to use. An example of a smart transaction would be that, say, an employee of a company completes a task and then sends a transaction to 3 superiors to sign off on it. Those superiors use their unique IDs on the blockchain to sign the transaction, and then it can be confirmed that anyone with permission can see its details. Currently, Jupiter has a market cap of $25 million. I will also note that you can buy Jupe on its native blockchain as an ERC20 on Ethereum or as a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. So multiple options right there. My next pick for today is Troy, the utility token of Troy Trade, a trading and asset management platform. This platform offers several services such as liquidity aggregation, data analytics, flexible earning opportunities, and quant strategies. Something that sets the liquidity aggregation of Troy Trade apart from others is that it aggregates liquidity from major dexes as well as from centralized exchanges and other liquidity pools. This allows them to provide far greater liquidity than aggregators that only use either dexes or centralized exchanges and not both. The flexible earn service they provide utilizes various yield farming opportunities to return a yield to users while still allowing them to withdraw and move their tokens at any time. The quant strategies available include arbitrage strategies such as cross-market arbitrage, triangular arbitrage, future spot arbitrage, and calendar spread arbitrage. Those can be very complicated strategies to execute on your own, which is why using a service like this can be very helpful. Not all of these services are live yet though, but they are all scheduled to be released throughout 2021, so buying now could put you ahead of the hype of this platform once it actually takes off. Right now, Troy has a market cap of $42 million. Okay, last but not least is XFT, the token for the world's first private derivatives platform, Offshift. We have all seen the success and growth of decentralized derivatives throughout this year, which is part of why I think that Offshift has the potential to pump in the future. The project utilizes zero-knowledge proofs to offer a full private line of on-chain synthetics. Offshift uses Chainlink price feeds to support a wide array of assets that include both cryptos and popular stocks as well as some commodities. Those are some of the base assets offered, but anyone can mint their own synthetics for any asset that they can find a price feed for, and the process of creating new synthetic assets is very simple. Offshift's XFT token is on ERC20, but the platform is expanding to Polkadot to be able to offer cross-chain utilization. Another benefit is that trading Offshift synthetics has zero slippage. The Offshift platform is live on the Ethereum Rinkeby testnet and Moonbeam's Moonbase Alpha testnet on Polkadot, but you can buy XFT on mainnet currently and stake it if you want to earn more while waiting for the mainnet launch of the platform. XFT is the smallest token of today's video with a market cap of only $14 million. So what do you think about these coins, guys? And as I said, these coins are extremely risky. They could go down to zero. So don't blame me if you want to buy these tokens and you are going to get wrecked on them. But these are coins we are keeping track of right now, and we are eager to watch their development. But with that said, make sure to subscribe if you are new to this channel, hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.